What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the couple issues that I've had with this car within 5 days of ownership. And I just want to start off by saying that these issues don't really worry me too much, but at the end of the day, there's still issues on a brand new car. So I picked this car up about 5 days ago, and within these 5 days, I probably put around like 110, 120 miles. And within those 110, 120 miles, I've noticed a couple issues. The first issue that I'm noticing is 2 out of like, I don't know, 6 or 7 times that I've driven this car, I've been getting an error message saying that the oil level is too high and that it needs to be reduced. So I'm thinking that the Mercedes mechanic who did the service on the car probably overfilled the oil tank. But one thing I do know about the GTS is that it has a dry sump, and to my knowledge, a dry sump is just an external like reservoir for extra oil. That's basically why I'm not worrying about it too much. I've also read online and like on forums on Google and stuff, they're saying that the sensor is too sensitive and that the dry sump is gonna save it. So whatever. It could either be that the sensor is too sensitive or the mechanic just put too much oil. I don't really know. When I go there for my appointment, I'm just gonna ask them to take some oil out. Another issue that I'm having with the car is that when it's cold, it makes a really weird noise, and I'm not sure if it's from the brakes or from the steering column. I have no idea. Let me compare the noise to something that it reminds me of. You know when you go off-roading and you're not on a paved road, and like while you're driving, like a bunch of mini pebbles fly up and hit the bottom of your car? That's exactly what it sounds like, and I have no idea what it is. I've asked a few other AMG GTS and GTC owners what it is. They don't know. I looked online, I looked everywhere, forums, anything, didn't find anything. When I go to the dealership, I'm gonna ask them what it is, if it's normal, if it's something I should be worried about. Chances are they're just gonna say it's normal because they might not even know what it is or what I'm even talking about. But let me see if I can capture like a small like sound clip of it. There's no lights on the dashboard saying to like stop driving or anything like that, which is good, but I just want to know if this is going to be like a serious issue later on. Because stuff like this, it shouldn't really be happening in a new car. But yeah, that's just a quick update video. See, it's happening right now. I just noticed that it happens at low speeds and when I'm turning. But if you guys have any information regarding the stuff that I just said in the video, please let me know, because then I can also talk to the mechanic about this type of stuff. But yeah, there you go. That's gonna end today's video. I'm just here to be honest with you guys. No car is perfect, and the GTS definitely is not perfect, but I'm willing to deal with it. It's a beautiful car, it sounds really good, it looks amazing, and it drives really well. Like the car's still in the braking period, so I haven't been able to push it too hard because I don't want to go over 3,000 RPM for the first 1,000 miles. But I'm just trying to keep the car in the best condition it can be. So that's it for today.
Gun finna jump for the shit, all top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go, it's only up from here.